Rihanna has spoken out and demanded that Louis Vuitton post a video of their manufacturing process. Luxury fashion is going viral as users are speaking out on what's really going on behind the price tags and designer labels. A bunch of TikTok videos are getting huge right now, calling out how some big designer brands like Gucci, Prada, and Louis Vuitton might not be as luxurious as they claim. Chinese manufacturers, owners, and bloggers have been posting videos showing that a lot of these designer bags are made in the exact same places as cheaper brands, but sold for way more money. Some manufacturers in China have even started live streaming themselves making the products. They're cutting out the middlemen, usually the luxury companies, and reaching customers on their own. This fits right in with Gen Z's whole vibe, wanting honesty and being smart about where stuff comes from. Most luxury brands still say they make their stuff in places like Italy, France, or the UK. However, a lot of fans are not believing this. Also, legacy brands like Louis Vuitton have giant teams and are willing to do anything they can to protect their image. But smaller, independent designers don't have that kind of power. And when all these behind-the-scenes videos come out, they're the ones who usually get the most downside. This might be the start of a major shift in how people look at luxury and where they choose to spend their money. And now, Rihanna has reacted to Chinese manufacturers saying they produce products for luxury brands. Underneath one of the videos, Rihanna left a comment. In her comment, she wrote, "Think this can easily be solved if they prove things." She's right, so you can't help but wonder why they aren't just proving it. I think it's very suspicious, and maybe a deep dive will need to be done on all of this. One fan said, "This whole situation is a complete and utter mess, and honestly, I'm finding it hard to have any sympathy for these luxury brands. For years, they've been peddling this illusion of exclusivity, and it's never been true." Another fan said, "Rihanna is absolutely right. Think this can easily be solved if they prove things is the only logical response. If these brands are so confident, they should be able to clear this up right now." For this video's comment question, why do you think they're not posting videos of the process of how they make bags? Before you go, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for daily news updates on your favorite celebs. Thanks a lot for watching.